Have a good day, everyone. Today is April 6th and today is Monday. And time check, Pakistan time is 9 a.m. And today I'm going to make dough of siopao. So today I'm going to make chicken asado siopao because I'm craving for this siopao because for long years I did not make this siopao. I think 3 or 4 years ago. So today I'm going to make, and first I'm make dough for siopao. Two and a half cups of all-purpose flour and 3 teaspoons of instant yes. This is instant yes. Pinch of salt, baking powder, 2 teaspoon, 4 tablespoon of cooking oil. You can use olive oil or any kind of cooking oil. 4 tablespoon of sugar and what is more? Warm water, but I will not use this one. It depends upon this dough. So now we have to put now all these ingredients here. Yeast, pinch of salt, baking powder, and this sugar, and also this cooking oil, to be followed by warm water. Now we have to mix this one like this. Now we have to add more. Now we have to knead this one for 5 minutes like this. Masahiin natin. Gunnas in Urdu or here in village, here dialect, here in our village, Greek, Raulakot. Gunnas, manual kneading. I already knead it for almost 5 minutes. Now we have to leave and rest this one for more than 30 minutes. So it will become more expanded dough. I did not use all this warm water here. Now we have to cover it with any kind of cover. So I use this kind of cover. Yan. Now next I have to do is I have to prepare and cook these fillings of siopaw. This is my fillings or palaman of my siopaw. I take out from chicken curry because yesterday I cook one whole chicken, 2 kilogram chicken. So I take out, I remove this one. And we have to flake this one and we have to remove also the bones. Now we have to flake now this one, and I will cook this one, saute it for my fillings of my siopaw. I wash this one because there is some masala, so I wash 2 to 3 times with clean water, drinking water. So we have to make like this. And very expensive kilo of chicken by this time. I think 700 rupees per kilo according to news. And not only chicken, very expensive here, kind of all kind of things to buy, especially petrol, gasolina, and gasol, everything, because of this happening war between Iran and some other countries, America, like this. So everything is affected, not only here in Pakistan, all over the world. I hope will can be finished this kind of issue. What? These are all flake chicken. So we have to saute now garlics, onions, and you see I remove bones here. And this is too much, enough for six dough of siopaw. Now I will saute now these garlics here. First garlics or onions. First you can put also onions, but no problem. Sometimes first I put onions, then sometimes garlics. It's no problem. And yesterday I cooked this spaghetti pasta. I use spaghetti instead of yung ano pancit canton because there is no available Filipino foods here. So I have still more. I will eat later on this one. Now I'm craving siopaw. That's why I cook today. Now we can put now also these onions, red onions. And this is easy to cook because chicken is already cooked. Now we can put now this flake chicken. And then we have to put now also this diluted all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, then little water. I don't have available cornstarch or corn flour, so I use this corn flour as substitute. So it will become more sticky. And we have to put now soy sauce, little bit soy sauce. If you have oyster soy sauce, you can put also, but here in Pakistan, no oyster sauce. Oyster sauce. And we have to put also little bit brown sugar. This is from Mariam Yagamochi, my friend from Japanese. She's living in Islamabad, so she have extra last year because she came here last year for vacation. She stay here 2 weeks, I think. That was May, third week of May. So I think she will come here again for vacation because next month is already summer here. Because in Islamabad, Rawalpindi, during summer is very hot. Now we have to put little bit sugar. I'm craving also biko, but I don't have glutinous flour or glutinous rice, and I want to cook also this, what you call this, yung ano ba, yung dila-dila, yung ano ba yun, yung palitaw, but I don't have glutinous flour. So this is almost to cook because this chicken is already cooked.